Hello guys, today I got Tecno phone that is called Tecno Pova 5, and today I want to show you how to do hard reset on this phone when your phone is locked with a passcode or a pattern that we cannot remember the passcode. So the way to do this, you need to turn off the phone firstly. Okay, so let's go turn off the phone. Okay, turn it off. Just wait for a second. Alright, after the phone is completely powering off, you need to hold the volume up, okay, volume up and power together at the same time for about 5 or 6 seconds. Okay, so let's go. Okay, volume up and power. And then after the Tecno logo appear, you have to release the power and keep holding the volume up, okay, until you can see a robot logo, okay, right here. Okay, so this is called the recovery mode, but it's not completely, okay. So the way to go to the real recovery, you have to just select on the power and volume up. Okay, so let's go. 1 2 3. Okay, power and then volume up. Okay, see that? And then you can do everything that you want to format the phone or install the custom version. Okay, so in this video I just want to show you how to format your data. That is called hard reset. Okay, so let's go. Select on down volume, okay, and then select on the format, wipe data factory reset, okay, and just select on the power, okay, and then select on the bottom, okay, and just select on the power again. Okay, so that's it. And then you have to select on reboot system right now. Okay, after that you need to wait for about 10 minutes to be complete. Okay, so alright, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.